Number 25, we're going to write an equation of the line that passes through the point negative 5, 2, so that's somewhere over here, but perpendicular to the given line. Now notice the given line is not solved for y. That's one of the things we always want to do first. Get y by itself. That's a quick step, just minus 3 on both sides. And we get y equals 2x minus 3. That line looks like this. See, what we're looking for is the dashed blue line. We want perpendicular to the given red line, but going through that point that they gave us. The key is perpendicular lines always have slopes that are opposite reciprocals. Now, if you think about 2 as a fraction, that's 2 over 1. That was the slope of the line they gave us. So the perpendicular slope has to be the opposite reciprocal. Opposite would make it negative. Reciprocal would flip it to 1/2. Our new line has to have a slope of negative 1/2. So let's see. I'm going to do a point slope equation. I know a point on the line, so this has to work with this slope. Y minus the y coordinate equals my slope, negative 1/2, times x minus the x coordinate. Don't forget to chop that. So if we were to try to get this in slope-intercept form, we would distribute first. We get negative 1/2 x, and negative 1/2 times 5 is negative 2.5. And then lastly, to get y by itself, we would just add 2 to both sides, and we get y equals negative 1/2 x. Negative 2.5 plus 2 is just negative 1/2. So that would be our final answer. Y equals negative 1/2 x minus 2. I'm sorry, negative 1/2 x minus 1/2. It's perpendicular to the given line, but it goes through the given point.